Today we're going to learn how to glitch images using Audacity. In this video I'll show you how to prepare your file in Photoshop. So I'm going to start by opening Photoshop. Once I'm in here, I'm going to go to File, Open, and then I'll select the image that I want to glitch. Open it. Here's the image that I've decided I want to glitch. Next I'll go to File, Save As. I'm going to choose to save on my computer. I'm going to change this save as type from JPEG to TIFF, just way down here on the bottom. I'm naming it Test2. I'll hit save. I can leave all of these options as they are. I just want to make sure that pixel order is on per channel, and then I'll hit OK. And now my file has been saved and I'm ready for the next step. Now that you have your file ready and you've formatted it to a TIFF in Photoshop, it's time to download the software we'll be using, which is audio software called Audacity. It is free and it is available on both platforms, Windows and Mac. You can plug the word Audacity into Google, or I've also provided the link here in the tutorial. So we'll just go ahead and click on download. Once we're in here, choose the appropriate platform that you're using. If you're on Windows, choose this one. If you're on Mac, choose this one. I'm on a Windows computer, so I'll choose this. Now I'm going to go ahead and pick Audacity 2.42 zip file, smaller download without the user manual. I don't need the user manual, so that's the one I'm going to choose. It's up to you if you want to include the user manual in yours or not, but you really don't need it. So I'm going to go ahead and click this. Then it gives me the options: the window installer, Mac OS DMG, Linux, Windows Zip, Mac OS 2.1.1 DMG, screen reader accessible. If you're using Mac, this is the file that you're going to want. I'm using Windows, and this is the file that I want right here, the Audacity Windows Zip. So I'll just go ahead and click on that, and my download has started right here. Okay, now that it's done downloading, I can go to Show in Folder. Then I'm going to right click on my folder. So there it is in my downloads. I'm going to right click on it, Extract All, Extract. And then here is Audacity. I can double click on that. And now it's ready to rock and roll. Now that you have Audacity downloaded, it's time to start glitching our image. So first we want to go to File, Import, Raw Data. Then we'll go and select our TIFF image. I called mine Test2. I can see that's a TIFF file. And click Open. Now this is very important. You need to change encoding to ULAW. Byte order should be little endian. And then go ahead and click Import. And now what I've done here is I've converted my image into audio. So this is my image in audio format. If I click play, I'd be able to hear what my image sounds like. It's honestly going to sound a lot like static. One thing that's important to note is that the very beginning, this header here, is important to opening the file. So we don't ever want to mess with the very beginning of the file. So I'm just going to leave this part alone and not edit this very, very first part. But the rest of this file is fair game. So to select a little portion, I'm just going to click my mouse and drag it over, and you can see I've just highlighted this selection of the audio. Next, I'll go in to Effect, and I can select an effect. I selected Echo, and I can kind of play with these numbers. Then I'll click OK, and I'm going to just do, and no, I'll just leave it as this. So next, I'll export it, but File, Export, Export Multiple. Now here I can hit choose and decide where I want my save file to go. Downloads is fine with me. Under format, it needs to be other uncompressed files needs to be selected. Under header, we want this to be raw headerless, that's correct. And encoding should be ULAW. Then I'll hit export. Okay. Okay. And now my file has been exported. So now I can go to my downloads and I find my test2 raw file. See, there's my TIFF file that I had, and here's my raw file. I can just double click on that and preview it. So you can see it's just a little bit of glitch there. So then I can go back in. I'll select another area, effect. I'll pick a different effect this time. Play with these. Click apply. You see there's a major change there. Okay, now I'm going to go to File, Export, Export Multiple. Everything is set up the way it should be. I'll hit Export. Okay. Okay. Then I go to my folder, my downloads, and there it is, part 2. Double click on that, and you can see there's a little bit more of a glitch effect. So I can keep playing with this, just selecting different parts of it. This time I'll do a reverb, see what this does. Click OK. You see the change that was made there. File, Export, Export Multiple. This is all set up the way it should be. Export. OK. OK. And I can go and open my third file, and you can see there's even more glitching. So you can just keep playing with this until you get the effect that you want. The sky's the limit. If you go too far, there's a chance you could break the file and it will no longer be able to open. Again, if you leave this little header at the front alone, chances are that's not going to happen. If it does happen, just start all over again. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this. Have fun. Happy glitching.